Hey, cool cats. I want to tell you a secret. So, when I was hospitalized for depression about 2.5 years ago, I did not know how to make music, and I honestly kind of had a panic attack while hospitalized because of this lack of being able to have a piano near me. And I never want anyone else to experience something like that. So, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks of how to make some clapping music with different parts of your hand so that when you're in a situation where you're alone and you don't have any instruments and you just don't know what to do to help you heal, you can clap and sing how you feel to help you get through it. So, let's get started. There's two sides to your hand. I know you know this already, but there's the front and the back. You can clap on the front and also the back. Clap softly if you need to, and clarify to other people that, hey, I learned this on TikTok and this is the way that I create music. Even singing also helps other people understand that you're making music, you're not trying to hurt yourself here. You can tap on your hand in different places. There's the center, there's the bottom, there's your fingers. They all make different sounds, as well as on the back of your hand. Right? So we can use that in a combination to create some interesting rhythms. Here's a little example.